Alright guys, here's my full unboxing and review on my gun safe. It is based on the weight of the box that this was going to be a very nice build. As you can see, it doesn't seem like a whole lot of parts. It's the four sides plus the shelves that go inside. So once I kind of looked at the user manual that it comes with, I was off to the races. So you can see I'm just setting up all the sides. I think it's just about 4 bolts on each one. And then on the last one, I just did need a little help just to lay it down. Like I said, does have some weight to it. It is a very nice build. And then it does have these adjustable racks that you can adjust them as you like on either of the 4 sides. Here is the final look. So it does come with the emergency battery pack in case you run out of battery. So there's different ways to open it. So I'm going to use the original one, which is the key. So like I said, just literally insert the key and it'll open up for you. Very, very nice and spacious on the inside. So you can see it has the racks, it has some shelving, it has these quick access compartments right here on the side. And I'll go ahead and close it so you can see some of the other features. So I'll go ahead and lock it. And then we'll go ahead and do the keypad option. Once you set that up, it's ready to go again. And then bam, it's open. So that's the second option. Then the third option is to set up the fingerprint. So I already did mine. Literally took less than 3 minutes to set it up. So you can see it's locked. You get the green light, you're good to go, and it'll open back up. So if you're looking for a really reliable gun safe, I highly recommend this one, 10 out of 10.